Welcome to Kashan, Iran, a city where breathtaking sights, vibrant traditions, and rich history comes to life. Join us as we uncover 4 amazing places you can't miss in this enchanting destination. Get ready for an unforgettable adventure in Kashan. Let's dive in. The Fin Bath in Kashan is a captivating attraction within the historic Fin Garden. Built during the Safaviya era, this bathhouse showcases exquisite Persian architecture featuring beautiful tiles and serene water fountains. With its rich history and stunning beauty, the Fin Bath offers a glimpse into Iran's cultural heritage and is a must-visit destination in Kashan. As you explore the bathhouse, remember that it's not just any ordinary bath. It's the infamous site of Amir Kabir's assassination, a significant event in Iranian history. This unfortunate tales add depth and mystery to your visit, making the Fin Bath an unforgettable experience in Kashan. Niasar Waterfall, located near Kashan, is a breathtaking natural attraction you can't miss. With a height of 25 to 53 meters, this spring-fed waterfall offers a mesmerizing view as it cascades down the rocks. The waterfall's source, Talar Spring, ensures a steady flow year-round, making it a perfect destination in any season. As you explore Niasar Waterfall, don't forget to visit the nearby unique underground temple, the Niasar Fire Temple, featuring a dome structure built during the reign of Ardashir I. This archaeological site adds historical significance to the area, making your visit even more memorable. Whether you are a nature lover or a history enthusiast, Niasar Waterfall and its surrounding attractions promise an unforgettable experience during your visit to Kashan. اینجا هم سال 84 خودم از زیر خاک در آوردم. روش زندگی می‌کنم. خوش کرد یه جات محلی یادتون نره. Broujerdiha House, a stunning historical mansion in Kashan, takes you on a journey back in time. Built in 1857, this magnificent house showcases exquisite Iranian architecture, featuring intricate plasterwork, stained glass windows, and a symmetrical design. The house consists of 2 parts, the Andaruni interior and the Biruni exterior, separated by a central rectangular courtyard. The wind towers, known as badgirs, make Broujerdiha House eco-friendly, providing natural ventilation and cooling.
الان فصل اردیبهشته، فصل گلابگیری اوایله. گلابگیری یه خورده گل کمه، باقی گلا رو صبح زودتر میچینن، برای همین خاطر ما گلش رو چیندیم آوردیم. الان میخوایم گل رو بریزیم.
The Rosewater Ceremony in Kashan is a vibrant celebration of Iran's famous roses. Every May to June, visitors flock to Kashan to witness the traditional process of dieseling rosewater from the beautiful Mohammadi roses. This centuries-old tradition transforms the desert landscape into a sea of stunning pink blossoms. Locals gather in flower gardens during the ceremony to harvest the petals and extract their essence through an evaporation system. The event offers a unique glimpse into Iran's cultural heritage and attracts thousands of tourists each year. Don't miss the chance to immerse yourself in the enchanting atmosphere of the Rosewater Ceremony while exploring the best places to visit in Kashan.